Now we'll show how to find the driver shift information for inserting it into our Excel file. This is how we produce the reports. To find that information, we need to produce a ticket export report, and we can name it as the driver's shift. We can have any name that you wish for, and this only works for 3 days, so we can choose the 1st of January till 3rd, and then generate our report. Since now the report is being generated, we can open the report and we can go back to our document, and this is the summary page. And to enter the information for the driver's weekly shifts, you can just press this button here, and then you can see this is 4 shifts for 1 day for each week, for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And we can see here this is the morning shift on Monday, the second morning shift on Monday, the afternoon shift on Monday, and the afternoon shift for Monday, the second one. So for here we can just press on the morning shift, where we can see driver's name, driver ID, duty ID, and the start time. This is for each driver to use whenever they want to have their own document for their own shift. And here you can press the insert driver data, and this opens up a form in which we can put the driver's name, and for example I'll put the name, the driver's ID, which could be anything, and the duty ID, and the duty start time. When does the driver start their shift? And then you can press add data, and as you can see here, the data is added underneath each title, and we can reset the data if we think we want to change something or we've done something wrong. Then press OK, and then close the form. In here we can insert the journey number, the service, the passenger. You can change any of this information whenever you feel like, and we can go back to the report that we've produced before, which is the driver shifts. And the first thing we want to do is change the date and the time. You can copy and paste information from this report right here into our report, and this is the date and ticket time. Make sure you paste it to match destination formatting, and as well as we can go and paste the service, which is right here. Underneath the service title, as well as the journey number, which is right here. And the last thing, it'd be the vehicle registration, which can also be found in this report, and it's right here. And now we have a full report of the driver's name, driver's ID, driver's duty ID, and the start time, and for which each driver can put their information and then transfer the information into our file to have the journey number, the service, the date, ticket, and time, the passengers, what type of ticket, from the stop, driver's number, bus number, duty number, and the vehicle registration, to know for each driver, to know which service they use, what's the ticket time for each one, and the passengers. Any of this information can be changed by having another column as well, and you can insert anything that you want to insert into this report. For example, ticket number, and you can insert any information that you want. As we can see here, there's more information, and you can check how many passengers were on for this person's shift, for the specific driver's shift. And we can see here the ticket number is 24, as in 24 passengers were on for the first driver's shifts, or for whatever driver's name that is. So it's personalized for each driver to be able to see what's going on with their service, the journey number, the time, the date, and you can insert your personal information. After this, you can press the driver data to take you back to the driver's weekly shifts, and you can choose any other day or any other shift to insert the information that you wish, and then you can go back to the summary page. As well as you can use the summary page from this button, from this page as well, to go back to the summary page. First, we can see the Tickiter reports, where we can produce any kind of report. And first, we want to produce local authority in Excel. We also need to choose a file name in order to know the name that we saved it for. For example, we can just name it Tickiter, and also we can choose when to start the information from the report and when to end. We can also choose all kinds of services and also specific ones. For example, commercial type, depot, or a specific one that we want to choose. So for this purpose, we can choose all, as well as ticket types. There's only concessionary, or we can choose a specific one. And for this, we'll choose all. Also the region tags, all stops regardless of tags, or specific stop tags. We just choose all, and then we can generate the report. As it's been downloaded, we now can open the file, and then we can see here, this is service 2, and then we can copy it, get the information to our file. This is our summary page, and this information we've chosen is for January, so we will put the information into the monthly report for January, and we can just press the button, and then it takes you to another page which shows you the monthly reports for January and February. And for this, we can also see route 1, route 2, route 3, and for February, route 1, route 2, and route 3. We've chosen route 2 to export the information into the monthly report, so we'll choose route 2. As we see, we can see all the information, and we can see that it shows here which is the best route, which is also highlighted here, and we can see the best day for the total tickets, as we can see here, and it is for the concessionary return and each other type of ticket. And now we can copy and paste the information into this report. As we can see, the formatting still works, and we can still see which is the best day and the best food right here. And then we can go to the summary page by pressing this button, and here we can see the January weekly report for the total tickets and total revenue, as well as the second week total tickets, total revenue, and we can see the total for the month for the total tickets and the total revenue. To do this, we had taken for example, for the first week, we have taken the first week from the total tickets, and for the second, and for the total revenue, we've taken the first week from the total revenue, as we can see from here, which is all 0. The same as for report 1, we've taken the first 7 days and the first 7 days for the total revenue, the same as this for the third service as well. And we can go back to the summary page, and we can see here that we've taken for the first week the 7 days I've explained before, and for the second week, and the same for the rest, to have the total tickets for each week and for the total month. And the same goes for the monthly report for February.
So we're going to export the concessionary ticket from the Tickiter. First, we click the concessionary and choose and create the file names. Let's say 001, and choose all the concession ticket type. And then we choose a date. Let's start from the 1st of January. Because there's only 3 days limit, so I'm choose the 3rd of January. And choose all the service, all the ticket types, and all the regions, and generate the report. Open an Excel document, and here's the concessionary data. Next, I'm going to download the ticket export. Choose this one and create the file name 002. And the start date is the 1st of January until the 3rd of January. And generate a report. When I open it, it shows the ticket export and different ticket types and the price. So that's Excel way download the summary page. Hold on, here's a monthly summary for each month. So I'm show the example for the January how we make the summary. So first we're going to the ticket export for January, because we need to know the each day for how many tickets sold for each day. So we create extra columns here, and we can know which day is it. So I'm going to give the Monday, for example. So we are going to insert the filters. here we can select the different day. So here's a Monday. I'll go back a little bit. Yeah. So in the Monday, we sum up the fare paid for the Mondays here. And here's the total revenue for the Mondays, and also the concessionary ticket. Concessionary ticket here is go to the January manual ticket. Sorry. The ticket. Also for the different days, so we create the extra column here. And now for the Monday. Here's the concessionary data, so each Monday we can sum this up. And the summary data will be shown on this page, which is here. And also the manual ticket. We create the filters for here for the ticket class and choose the manual ticket. So all the manual ticket will be shown in the Excel. And also we add this up, the numbers up, and it will be shown in the summary page.